How are you? It's morning in Australia, and we're optimistic because the message from this part of the world is that this is working. Social isolation is working. So I hope you're being calm and you're staying home, because this is the only way to protect your lives, the lives of your family, the lives of your community. It's working. So today, of all days, I'm going to try and be kind to another song. I'm sure it's not going to work. There will be peace in the valley for me someday. There will be peace in the valley for me. I pray there'll be no sadness, no sorrow, no trouble. I see there will be peace in the valley for you and for me.